please. 请进。
名模。
You give them a hand, okay? Yes. And today, the round one, we are going to test the direction.
第一轮我们要考验方向。
What is the direction and how to test?
怎么测试呢？
We are going to put down your body.
趴下，
Yes, 趴下。
趴下。
趴下，拥抱。
And here is the line. After the final, you have to cross it. Okay, I think 3, 2, 1, you say go. 3, 2, 1.
Go! Go!
What are you doing, bitch? You get up. Are you swimming?
你在干什么？在游啊，在游啊！游！
Don't need the phone. Go out.
快！
Everybody, please stand up, please.
请站起来。
And round 2, we are going to test the endurance.
第二轮我们要测试印度伦斯。
Yes, and put down the body too. 我刚刚叫你们起来是讲好玩的。And now you have to move your body like the round one, but now you have the hand and the feet. You have no hand and no feet, okay? 3, 2, 1, go!
爬吧，快爬吧，废物们，快爬，快爬！
Go, go, go! Your nipple is burn, nipple burn, you cannot be a model. Go out, go out, please.
快把我叫救护车，他奶头爆了！
我在站着吗 ？Everybody, please stand up. Stand up, fuck! Don't let me be angry. And now you have to be a model. You have to learn how to be a beauty.
你要学会化妆。
Yes, and how to be a beauty. 当你很穷的时候 you must use the 口水。
你很穷的时候，你知道什么是大家都有吗？就是翠暖。
Okay, use your treatment on your face now. Go.
快！
Stop! Are you a dog? You, one more time. Are you a dog? Get out! We here don't need the dog. Get out, please.
臭狗滚呐！滚！你以为你是世界冠军就厉害是不是？
Give them a hand again, okay? And finally, we are going to test the 克服困难。
我们需要 overcome the fear。
Yes. And now, here has balloon.
有气球。
And now, you two stand at here. Stand at here.
站过去那边。
Yes. And now, our 主持人 are going to go there. And we are going to jump on them. And their balloon is burned. They will die, okay?
Okay.
And give them a hand again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. He is burned.
你爆了啦！
Get out. Our champion is 诞生 okay? And give her a hand, okay? And our supermodel second is over. Thank you everybody for seeing.
谢谢大家的收看，欢迎收看第3季。抱抱！
刚刚的环太平洋绝对太好看了，对不对？ 左手，再拿起你的右手，右手。